Alright, runway's clear. Feet are down. There's 26 right, 26 right on the compass. Here we go. Power's in. Engine insets are good. Airspeed's coming to life. 45, 50, and 55. Rotate. Engine inset good. Positive rate.
For Yankee, frequency change approved. One aircraft left base, runway 25, Corona 1300 indicated. 24 Yankee. 7 Charlie Alpha, contact to Ontario Tower 120.6. Good flight.
Over to Ontario Tower 120.6 for 7 Charlie Alpha, so long.
5151.
Ontario Tower, good morning, Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha, just off Chino Airport, inbound, request multiple touch and goes, and we have kilo.
Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha, Ontario Tower, Ontario altimeter 29901, squawk, correction, ident.
29901, and here's the ident for 7 Charlie Alpha.
Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, radar contact, 5 miles southwest of Ontario Airport. Proceed inbound to make left traffic for runway 26 left.
Proceed inbound, we'll make left traffic for runway 26 left for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha.
RV117 Golf Bravo, CNO Tower, flight runway heading. I'll call you left turn for traffic, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff. Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, number 2, following a twin Bonanza, half-mile final, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Number 2 behind us, Twin Bonanza, runway 26 right, clear to land for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha. There he is.
Left 9514 Juliet.
RV7 Golf Bravo, traffic 1 o'clock, 4 miles, 1,300 indicated northbound. They may be entering the pattern at Corona Airport. Frequency change approved.
Okay, well thanks. We'll be looking for 7 Golf Bravo.
There's the left, there's the right. We're on the right.
Good morning, Chino Tower, Duke 4448 Fox, and we're vacating 3500.
Duke 4448 Fox, Chino Tower, make right traffic, runway 26 right.
Make right traffic, 26 right, 48 Fox.
That's a fast airplane.
Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, contact ground.
Over to ground for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, thanks.
Request pre-flight flight following to French Valley Airport, Foxtrot 70 at 3,500 via Cessna 172/uniform.
Chino ground, Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha, off 26, right at Kilo, taxi to Chino Aviation.
Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha, Chino ground, taxi to parking via Kilo.
Park via Kilo for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha.
Cessna 143, use caution for an inbound Cessna.
Caution, Cessna 643, thank you.
Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, use caution for an outbound Cessna.
7 Charlie Alpha, will do.
Cherokee 7085 Romeo Chino ground, runway 26 right, taxi via Mike Delta Alpha, cross runway 21.
Mike Delta Alpha, cross runway 21.